When NaNO3 is heated with NH4 twice SO4, a colorless gas and a residue is obtained. The color of residue is. When NaNO3 is heated with NH4 twice SO4, it will give Na2SO4 plus N2O plus H2O. If we balance the equation, first 2NaNO3 and 2N2O and 4H2O. Here Na2SO4 is a residue formed. Residue is Na2SO4. This Na2SO4 residue is white in color, and the colorless gas obtained is N2O. N2O is a nitrous oxide, which is a colorless gas. So the answer is option D.